powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Will you 3 hurry up?
What's the rush, Xiaoyan? This is a shortcut. It's saving us 3 days.
Yes, but look at this place. Narrow path, high cliffs, only one way to go. It's the perfect spot for an ambush.
Relax. No one knows we're here. We gave the terrace the slip a long way back.
I still think you should have discussed it with us before you brought us here, Raindrop. Now we have no choice.
Yes, we do. We can always go back.
No, we can't. The terrors are in the valley.
Okay. So we can't go back. No problem. We'll be out of this valley in no time.
General Boo knew they'd take the shortcut. And now they're walking right into our trap.
What's in these things, Flamo?
The General's secret recipe. 11 different gunpowders and spices. The suckers can't turn back now. Time to fire up a little fun.
What in the land of 1,000 legends is that?
A trap, and we've walked right into it.
Go on, say it. Say I told you so.
You made an honest mistake, Raindrop. It could have happened to any of us.
3, 2, 1.
But I told you so!
Can you two finish this later? We seem to be caught between some rocks and a hot place.
So what do we deal with first? The terrace or the fire?
Ha! Neither. Follow me.
A cave? Wait, we should think this through.
What's there to think? It could be our way out.
Or another trap. How many times can he be wrong? Don't answer that. The Earth's vibration is so strong here.
Yes, you can almost hear it.
That's my knees knocking. This place is spooky.
Will you 3 hurry up?
Raindrop, this is worse than the shortcut. We're even more trapped in here.
That's where you're wrong. I see light. It must be the end of the tunnel.
The end of the tunnel looks strangely like someone's front door. Huh?
Uh-oh, not just someone. Bull Demon King!
The Bull Demon King? He's like the biggest, fiercest, meanest.
That's it. All our problems are over.
You mean he's going to tear us limb from limb and save the terrors that bother?
No, he's married to Princess Iron Fan. Hello? Her magic iron fan, it can put out fires.
Yeah, but she's supposed to be pretty tough too. She's a superwoman. We need to be careful. Think this through.
Wow. This is amazing.
That's a superwoman? You try juggling housework, career, and a family. Now get out! Whatever you're selling, I don't want any!
We're not selling.
Collecting for charity? What is it? Scream Pierce? The old spirits home? Bucks for Banshee's Day?
No, we need your help.
I'd love to help, but I've got problems of my own.
You can't help us because of the washing up?
It's my husband, Bull Demon King. He went to save Cherry Blossom Village from a gang of demons, and he's not back yet. He's never been gone this long, and he's going to be in big trouble when he gets back. Unless something bad has happened.
But you're Princess Ironfan. Why don't you go and find him?
Who would look after our son, Red Boy?
We will.
What?
Niwa and Jinho can babysit Red Boy, while Xiaoyan and I help you find the Bull Demon King.
Can we discuss this?
Trust me. And when your husband's home, you can put out the fire for us.
It's a deal. You be good, Red Boy. Mommy and Daddy will be home soon. Bye-bye, Mommy. Iron Fan! Catch the wind! Hop on board.
Excellent.
Yum, yum, yum. Potato cakes. Sure beats fighting demons.
Hi, Red Boy. We're Niwa and Jinho, and we're looking after you while Mummy's away.
He's gone to Cherry Blossom Village to look for your daddy.
Yeah, he's big and brave and getting rid of the bad demons.
Pow, pow, pow!
That's a nice ring. Do you want to play a game with it?
Yeah, magic chess. How do you play that? Like this. His mother didn't say he had magic.
I wonder why.
Oh, okay, that's enough fun. Put us down now.
Sure, magic chairs. Why do we always go with Raindrop's plans?
I don't see any demons.
Looks like Bull Demon King has done his job.
Yeah, but where is he?
I bet he's in a tea house celebrating, getting a big pat on the back for the great work he's done.
Out of the way!
They're attacking the village!
Who? The demons?
They're still here?
Hold up! Where's the Bull Demon King?
He arrived a few days ago, but we haven't seen him since. Hurry! Run for your lives!
Something's happened to him!
Then we have to go into the village and find out what.
I think someone's put too much sugar on his noodles.
Leave him to me. I know what to do.
So do I. I'll get the padlock.
No, I'll read him a story. All kids love stories. Okay, Red Boy. That's enough play for now. Time for a story.
A story? Stories are boring.
Not this one. It's an exciting story called The Legend of the Serpent.
You mean the legend of the sushi roll?
Hey! Stop that! Stop!
Oh!
What were you saying about that padlock?
Call up the general, then check on Raindrop and the others.
Why do I have to call the general all the time?
Why do you think?
Oh, yeah. 'Cause you can't do this.
General Boo?
Ah, Flamo! I was just, scratching. So, what's news, my combustible underling?
It worked, just like you said, General. We've got the elements trapped in the valley.
Perfect! When the terrors catch them, the golden dragon will be defeated for good, and I will have absolute power!
Not now, Grub.
I'm such a clever general. General, I can make myself emperor. Emperor Boo! I like that. So don't blow it!
What do you want, Grub?
Raindrop, the elements, they've gone.
Gone? Gone where? If the general finds out we've lost them, he'll pickle out gizzards in mongoose juice and feed them to the crows.
Pickled gizzards.
Come on! We better find them.
Don't worry, Princess Ironfan. If the Bull Demon King is in here, we'll find him. Yellow Fang demons! They're the worst!
demon around here.
What should I do with these bad demons? I'll keep rubbing until my rock skin wears through the ropes.
Oh, we could use these. Uh-oh, the demons are escaping. Hey, what are you doing?
Taking you to your room for some time out.
But I don't want to go! Into your room. Go! Huh, it only works for me. I knew that. You can have your ring back when you come out. I'm telling my dad on you! I'm telling my dad! And I'm gonna tell him right now.
Five of them and 3 of us.
It wouldn't matter if there were 100 of us. Our powers are useless against these spirits.
The only person who can help us is my husband, and he's probably out there lying wounded somewhere.
Maybe there are 6 demons.
Please don't hurt me, demons!
Honey?
This is the Bull Demon King?
Finally, a little peace and quiet.
Too quiet.
Hey,
Something's not right, Jinho.
yeah, I know. You just took my banana.
He's gone!
What? Oh, well. Can't say I'll miss him.
Jinho, if we don't find him, the princess won't help us.
Okay. So, how did the kid get out of here anyway? Oh, I think he might have gone this way.
The big, brave bull demon king. All the time I thought you were fighting demons. You were hiding like a scared rabbit.
I'm not a scared rabbit. A scared bull, maybe, but not a rabbit.
Rabbit, bull, what's the difference?
Plenty. Rabbits have big long ears and little fluffy tails. But bulls have horns and...
Stop!
Okay.
Princess Iron Fan, now that we've helped you find your husband, I was wondering if you could, put that fire out like we agreed?
The deal was to get him home, and he can't go home until he finishes his job here.
Oh, please, don't make me go back out there. Please.
What's the matter with you? You're the bull demon king, known all over the land of 1,000 legends for your bravery and fighting skill.
Well, the truth is, I've never fought anyone in my life.
What?
I've never had to. Look at me. People think just because I'm big and strong that I'm tough and fierce. But I'm actually quite gentle.
Well, you've always been gentle to me and Red Boy, but what about your famous battles?
I just put on my fierce face and they run for their lives. I never had to lift a finger.
What happened this time?
Have you seen those demons? They're scarier than me. I saw them and I ran for my life. I'm sorry I'm not the big brave warrior you all think I am.
Raindrop and the others must be around here somewhere. They can't have escaped.
What's that smell?
Huh? Grub! Where are you going? Hey, Grub!
Smelly, rotten, green stuff. My favorite.
Ha! I got you a good one.
Neat tricks, kid. You live around here?
Yeah, my dad's the Bull Demon King. He's the greatest ever.
Yeah, right. So have you seen anyone new around here?
Only my babysitters.
Babysitters?
Yeah, some golden monkey and a girl made out of rocks.
Jinho and Niwa. Did you happen to see their friends?
I think they went with Mom to look for Dad. He's fighting demons and I'm going to help him.
Perfect. Now all we need to do is follow him and he'll lead us straight to Raindrop and Xiaoyan. Stop laying about and hurry up!
Coming, Flamo.
They're searching the village.
It's only a matter of time before they find us.
But we can't take them on without help.
Bull Demon King, you say you've defeated your opponents by scaring them?
Hundreds of them, but these demons are different. When they come straight at me, I'm terrified.
What if we back you up?
With our Dragon Title!
They're right, honey. We can do this together.
Just remember, you're ferocious. More ferocious. Now you're talking.
Okay, no smiling. You are angry, a fiery bull in a huge rage.
Whoa! Those demons won't know what hit him.
Let's go.
Yeah!
Dad! I've come to help you! Dad! Dad! Where are you?
Bring it on!
Dragon Title!
Don't just stand there.
No! Please don't let them hurt me!
Dad?
Red boy! Oh no!
What are you doing, Dad?
Red boy, get away from here. It's dangerous.
You're a coward!
Let me explain!
Raindrop! Xiaoyan!
Huh? Bad news! We've lost Red Boy. We know, he was just here.
But you're just in time for all the fun.
Found them! All of them! Let's get them!
Are you crazy? There's only 2 of us, and how many of them?
I don't know. My pincers only go up to 4.
And there's the demons. Do you want to fight them too?
No?
So let the elements wear themselves out fighting the demons and then make them come to us.
How?
All we need is a little bait. Hey, kid. Fancy seeing you again. I sure hope you like onions.
Onions? Huh?
If you discuss things with us first, Raindrop, we wouldn't be in this mess.
You always act first and think later.
And we always end up in bigger and badder trouble.
We're supposed to be a team.
I get it, okay? I get it.
You gotta admit, Raindrop, things couldn't get much worse.
Red boy's magic ring.
Red boy!
He's with me. You want him back? You're gonna have to come and get him.
Who is he? And what's he doing with my son?
His name is Flamo, and he's big trouble.
We have to save Red boy.
You're not going anywhere.
Don't worry, kid. We won't hurt you. We just want Raindrop and his friends.
Well, you sure don't have to worry about my dad coming to save me.
Our trap's all set. The fire at one end of the valley, and the terrors will be here within the hour. Right on time.
Just need the elements.
They're too powerful.
We're never going to get out of here.
I've got a plan,
Oh, no!
which I'm going to discuss with you guys.
Bull Demon King, you're the only one who can get rid of them. You're part demon yourself.
But I'm not brave enough.
Then we might as well get rid of this.
Give me that. It's Red Boy's.
Yeah, but he can't use it anymore.
I said give me that.
If you want it, you're gonna have to come and get it.
Leave my son's magic ring alone.
It's working.
Huh?
Yeah! You got rid of the demons!
I did? Yeah, I did! Now let's go and rescue Red Boy!
Okay, team. What do you think we should do?
He's my son. I should rescue him.
Be careful!
Nemo! Look!
I'll take care of him. He's just a big scaredy cow.
Watch out, Dad!
Runway clear. Please fasten seatbelts while we wait for flight path clearance.
Take off already, would you?
Hey! Wait for me! Here, let me help you.
Mayday! Mayday! Going down! Going down!
You showed them, Dad! I was so scared!
It's okay to be scared, son.
No one is brave all the time.
I think this belongs to you. I had quite a fight getting it.
Princess Iron Fan, we need to get out of here in a big hurry. And there's that little matter of the fire.
Don't worry, a deal's a deal. Iron Fan Power!
Okay, group meeting. We've got terrorists 5 minutes away. Anyone got any suggestions?
Are you kidding?
There are too many of them. Let's run!
Just don't say I never consult you.
You don't want to be here when the army of terrorists arrive?
Don't worry. We're not afraid of terrors.
Yeah! Leave them to us! Good one, Dad!
See? I told you that shortcut would work.